All right, guys, so this is what happened. I get my drone, my brand new drone, Neo, and this is made just for this system itself, if you guys can see. Now, I do have the drone, the extended batteries, the 3 batteries, the controller, and on top of that, I added my battery charger because this is actually a fully charged system that charges everything I want. Now, this device will charge not only the drone batteries, but the actual handheld controller too. I keep this everywhere I go when I travel. Like I mentioned, this is a great charger. I like it. It's simple. It works. It's a Type-C connection, but if you have a Thunderbolt or anything, you could plug it in here, a Type-A to type anything you want. Easy to flexible, easy to put away, and it fits perfect in my toolbox where I keep all my essential stuff for my drone. So very simple to carry with you, take it anywhere. It's gonna last many hours. You go to amusement parks, it's a nice way to carry this with. All right, at the end of the day, I'm done with a lot of my equipment. As you can see, my batteries are completely dead, but if it wasn't for this device charging, not only charging my batteries on the go, and it's very compact, but for traveling, it's perfect. Like I said, I'm charging my batteries so I can refilm a lot of the more content, of course, in more hours. I take this with me. It's crucial everywhere, like you see it. So very simple, easy to use, flexible. Love the design. I hope you guys do too.